Muhammad wa alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. So before that we mentioned that if somebody passed away and he left behind his grandfather and his brothers, so now according to Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi alayh, the grandfather deprives all the brothers and sisters. But according to Sahibain, Imam Abu Yusuf and Imam Muhammad, rahimahum Allah, the grandfather has to be considered like one brother, and in this regard we must take into consideration that what is better for the grandfather. So we will go by that. Is no more his hair, because the full brother will deprive the half one. So the property will go to the full brother. So here there are three people: the grandfather, the full brother, and the half brother. So now the property based on muqasamatul jad will be distributed half and half between the grandfather and the full brother. So half the grandfather will take, and remaining half the brother will take. They are considered just like two brothers for the deceased. Another case. If the deceased left behind him his sisters, a full one and a half one, so they may be given their share as that is in Sharia, and the remaining will go as a residue to the grandfather. The case will be like this. Zayd passed away. Here is the full sister, here is the half sister from father's side, and here is the grandfather. So look, just put aside the grandfather for a while. If somebody passed away and he left behind one full sister and one half sister, so what will be the case? And the half sister from father's side, she will take 1/6, because two ladies of the same level, they are taking only 2/3.